Hi, my name's Tom. If you're looking for a steel bed frame for a bed without any sort of box spring, the Bonnlo bed frame is a really good choice. Here it is. I've used this for about 2 weeks now. We're changing the sheets, so I thought I'd go ahead and take advantage of being able to show you all this stuff. I haven't quite put anything under it yet, but as you can see, there is plenty of room. This is something like 16.4 inches here. Lots and lots of room for storage underneath. You can slide all sorts of stuff. That's part of the advantage of these steel frame beds that you will find on Amazon, is that you can actually go ahead and have a ton of storage underneath. In fact, figure this is a twin bed. That's almost like 5 or 6 bins under there. If you wanted to just shove all that stuff in there, it's almost like a small closet under your bed. Again, it does not need a box spring. I just went ahead and put a great big foam mattress on it. This is a Novello foam mattress. These are great mattresses, by the way, if you're looking for a whole set. I've had one of these for about 18 months, and I went ahead, loved it so much, I bought another one. It's almost like brand new. The 18-month one, it feels like it's brand new. This is the same thing. Comes in a box, open it up, takes a couple days to expand, get it from Amazon. They're great. Assembly is pretty straightforward. What you have to do is you have to basically put a bunch of screws into these little brackets on both sides, and there's a little corner bracket you got to get it into. It's a little bit tricky, and you'll see some in the comments as well. Some of the holes, they do line up, but they're really, really tight clearance. You have to kind of almost screw the screws into these machined holes to get them all to work. So that was one little bugaboo. It did take us a little while longer to put it together than we thought, simply because those holes, a couple of those holes are really, really tight clearance, and you really have to just get it just right. But otherwise, it does have the corner brackets. It does have little brackets in the corner that keeps these things nice and solid. This is not going anywhere. This is a nice solid, or a nice, it's a hollow, but it's a steel framed bar there. That's real nice. And another great accessory here. See these holes? Those holes are for bed boards or footboards. So these things are bedboard and footboard compatible. You can just go ahead and screw something into that, and you have a very nice bed frame with storage underneath. Overall, I like this frame a lot. One other thing it does not have that other frames might have, other frames do have little brackets or little holders to keep the mattress from sliding on and off, as you can see. Now, in this case, I have this bed kind of in a little crevice here. I'm not going to have that problem. But if you have a bigger bed on a frame, I could see where it could slide left and right a little bit. This does not have any rails or guardrails for that to prevent that from happening, so just be aware of that. But if that's not a big deal, this is a nice, great bed frame. It's good to put together. Once you get it together, it's staying together. It's not going anywhere. All the bars are insulated so that you don't have a whole lot of bouncing or metal on metal. Overall, it's just a good bed frame. It works well. I got it from Amazon. I think I ordered it on a Monday, and it was here by like Wednesday morning. It was really, really fast and easy. I didn't have to carry anything. It comes in a small box, not a big box, and it's not all that heavy because a lot of this steel stuff is mostly hollow steel tubes, but they're still very, very strong. Don't let that dissuade you. You don't want solid steel bars on a bed frame. That's just ridiculous. So again, very nice, Bonnlo, good bed frame, highly recommended.